up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back in Minecraft, and do you know what the plan is, Brian?
Yeah. Wait, can you shut up the people on your house? Oh my gosh. Anyways, sorry. Today, our plan today is to build Czechia, Germany, Denmark.
Yeah.
By help of
So
my
this time, I'm not gonna show my face to you, obvious. It's gonna be, I think it's kind of a bit embarrassing. Anyways, can you guys guess what happened in one week?
Isa na Luna with a bigote.
Are you serious? Okay.
Okay, that's enough.
So basically, I won. So I posted a video on TikTok. So if you want to check my account, just look at the comments. Okay. So back into the original video that we are discussing. So we're gonna make another country, okay? And Brian, what's the country that we are making?
Europe, bro.
That we are filling it up.
And we are building Czechia, Germany, and Denmark, your country, bro.
And
that's it. 3 countries. For 5 minutes, I think.
Those are the 3 last ones.
Yeah. I'm still doing the whole world, so do not get
world, so
something.
Basically.
Okay. And bro, can you anyways, with Roberto Gandhi are
and guys, just a disclaimer. If you just hear my dog barking, just ignore it. He just wants to play with me.
Okay.
It's just a disclaimer.
There's a lot of disasters at the Philippines, so
just shut up, and I cannot.
Bro, God, just shut. Anyway, sorry, my little friend is annoying. Anyways, blocks are gonna needing are black, red, yellow, blue, white.
And actually,
yeah,
I'm gonna be the one choosing the chosen 2 countries that you're gonna make.
Okay, so it should be like.
No.
Bro, it's part of my video. More. Okay, after Czechia, Germany, and Denmark. Okay, it should be next 2 countries. Okay.
What are the countries that are not filled in Asia?
A lot of countries because I'm still making Europe.
What are the remaining countries that are not filled yet in Asia?
Russia. That's all. Russia. Anyways, wait. Let's talk about that later. Okay. Anyways, with the black concrete for the border, or anyways, let's do.
Make some borders. Bring some borders.
Bro, anyways, with the black concrete from. Bro. From this.
Okay, just ignore the wheezing because I'm hearing
turn your mic off.
Okay. Bye, suckers.
Okay, finally. From this one here from Austria, from here go up left, up left 1, up left, right 2, up right 2, up 1, right 3, right down, right 4, down right 3, down right 2, here go down left. It will block concrete from this one sticking out of this long stretch line. It will go up 2, up left 2. Fill the left in with the concrete on the white concrete splits there. Fill the whole thing in with black concrete from this 4 right here. From the 3rd 4 go up 1, 2, 3, 4, up left, up 3, right, up left, right and left one. And go up, left, up, down, left, left. One, two, up two, the left, left, down, the right, left. Two, up, left, up three. Yeah, that this block only left. One, up, left, down two, the left two, left. Kind of hard to see. Okay. Let's do the first. There go this. From next to this, okay. There goes. Go right until you hit black concrete. Fill the bottom in Germany in with concrete. I'm trying to make this faster because my limit is only 10 minutes. Anyways, right concrete. Middle from this one will go right until hit concrete. Fill the middle in with concrete. On the top in with black concrete. Hard to see with black concrete. Apologize. Anyways, after you fill in colors of Germany, that is Czechia and little black of it from Denmark, okay. Germany, okay. Up left one, up three, right one, up one, right two, up, right, down, right, left one, down two, right one, down one, down left one, right one, down two. From this block, go right 1, 2, 3, up, right, down 3, right 3, skip the right, skip down right, go right one for the island, and that is Denmark's coastline or border, if I say. Wait for the cross with the right of it from here, up 3, left, right, up, fill the whole of it. Fill the whole thing in with like concrete, and fill this in with water. Yeah. Anyways, that is Czechia, Germany, and Denmark fill in. So yeah. So next country would be I don't know if what Raphael suggests. So yeah, that is all it. See you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.